Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a email writing. So let's start it. At first, open your docs file and now click here for the email wrap option. Then click first option as to her email address. And CC and BCC. Then click for subject, congratulations. Then click for the email option, an email. Then create an email. Then I show the create email in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.